of the scenery. That's what they're here to enjoy. Bring everybody together who loves the outdoors, loves swimming. That's part of what we're about with the charity, but the other part is that bringing all these people together, we get to actually raise some money for a good cause, which is Children with Cancer UK.
If you're in trouble, hold on to your float. Put your hand up in the air.
They register online, they go through all the risk assessments, everything to do with the joining instruction, and they donate. Now the donation is up to themselves. They can donate £1, they can donate £100. If they don't want to donate, they don't have to. It's about just getting people together to enjoy this. None of us actually take any expenses. All the profits go direct to the charity at the end of this. And it feels good.
Going as fast as I could, so that kept me warm. I had my gloves on this year, so yeah, felt warm enough, yeah.
Very cold.
Cold. But really nice. I'm glad it's sunny.
Lovely, beautiful. And look at it, weather now, fantastic.